everyone, today I'm going to be organizing my desk from this into something way better. So let's get to it.
Well, this is my desk right now, and I know it looks alright, but I want to give it a new look because I'm kind of getting tired of this. I want to organize it more. So I'm going to be bringing new accessories and stationery to put in my desk and organize it more better.
First up is my IKEA pegboard. I'm probably going to put this on my wall. I brought some accessories for this too, and I'm going to put them on this pegboard, and I'm going to put it up on the wall for some decoration and accessorization and some organization. Next are these IKEA pegboard accessories. I brought a shelf, an organizer, some hooks, and some IKEA pegboard clips. First up is the pegboard hooks. I'm probably going to hang some keychains or some decoration on this to accessorize it. I don't think I'm going to be able to hang anything like I would actually use. Next are these pegboard clips. I'm probably going to put some kind of picture or something on this to put it up on the pegboard and give some accessory. The third one is the pegboard container. I'm probably going to put some of my tools or something on this, like pencils or like pens or whatever. And the last one is the pegboard shelf. I'm probably going to put some kind of stickers or like something for showcase or something on this. I don't know what else I would put on this. I also brought a file holder from IKEA. Because my old one is like really damaged and broken, so I'm gonna be using this to put all my files, papers, sketchbooks, and stuff like that in it. This is my notice board. This is where I put my notes and reminders, but I do need to remove this because this is where I'm going to put my pegboard. So let's do it.
Some of the styrofoam came off.
So this is the situation we're in right now. I'm gonna have to scrape the double tape off. This is not going to be easy. Here we have the pegboard, and now let's finally open it up. Okay, so now I'm done marking the walls, and this is officially where I want my pegboard to go. I'm finally going to be unboxing the pegboard accessories. First up we have the pegboard clips. Next we have the pegboard holder, in which I'm going to put some tools or something in. Third we have the pegboard hooks. I'm going to be putting some, as I mentioned before, I'm going to be putting some decoration or keychains or something on this. And lastly we have the pegboard shelf. which I'm probably going to be putting some kind of decoration on this too. This is the state of my desk right now. I mean, I've put up the pegboard, but my desk is still really messy. I need new organizers, and I need to throw some stuff out too. They're kind of damaged. So first up, I'm going to be starting with this organizer. Next, I'm going to be sorting out this chest of drawers desk organizer. Okay, so clearly this folder has seen better days, which is why I have decided to get rid of this and use the one I brought from IKEA instead. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!